Hi everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. So ngayon, for today's vlog, nasa Antwerpen kami ni Baby Aiden and his dada filming right now. Day off namin parehas, kaya ayan, gagala kami and bibili namin siya ng extra shoes. Medyo maraming tao ngayon dahil Sabado, walang work ang mga tao. Papunta na kami ngayon sa JD kasi papapalitan namin yung slipper na hindi kasya. And then si Baby Aiden, ayan, bibili namin siya ng new shoes niya. Bebe, here's Bebe. Doesn't have work today.
Yeah, finally off after 6 months.
Yeah, it's finally off indeed. So it's such a nice day. Pinakawalan na namin ang Baby Ada sa kanyang trolley. At ayan, happy yung boy-boy na tumatakbo. Madalang na talaga namin gamitin yung trolley dahil mas gusto niya yung naglalakad. Tingnan nyo, amazed na amazed siya sa building.
Watch where you going.
Ang galing, aso siya na, aso and pusa na gawa sa sand. I think that's sand. Ayun na yung dalawa, iniwan na ako. Medyo malamig dito, kaya ayan, jacket kami. Kagaling ko lang sa sakit, pati sa Baby Aiden, so kailangan maingat pa rin. Napagod ng baby boy dahil medyo malayo yung shop na pupuntahan namin. Ayan, dito kami sa shop na JD Sports pupunta para papalitan yung tsinelas ni Bebe. At dito rin namin bibili ng sapatos si Baby Aiden. And? You like it better?
I like the red with the samba jeans. Take those to the casa first.
It's okay? Okay, give it to me. And ito yung napili ni Bebe. It's okay. It's 30 euro. How much is the other one? 60? It's okay. So, ayan. Ito yung maliit sa kanya. Papapalitan namin. We need 20. I think he's already 25. So, ayan guys, napalitan ko rin yung shoes ni Bebe. Ito na yung bago. And then, hinahanapan namin si Baby Aiden ng bagong shoes.
4 and 25, I don't know.
May nakita kaming sale ng, what is the, it's New Balance. Napili ni Bebe. Ask for 25. And then we see, okay? Change it, Dada, please. Ayan, try na natin yung shoes kay Baby Aiden. What size, love?
25.
It looks smaller though. Pumili kami ng ibang shoes. Adidas na lang. Kasi yung New Balance hindi magkasya sa kanya. Ayaw pumasok kahit 25 na. Size 24 is this? Maybe we get already 25, no? Are you sure?
Not in the top. And this doesn't stick.
You like it, Aidan? Ayan guys, nabili na namin yung shoes niya. And then, suit-suit na niya rin. Then, tuwang-tuwa siya sa mga sapatos niya. Yan, bili natin ng balloon ang Baby Aiden. So cute. Kumuha kami ng 4 euro for surprise. Wow, Aiden. It's actually big. Thank you. Yay! So, ayan guys, maghahanap na kami ng kakainan namin for lunch. Alas 12 na dito ng hapon. Ayan, dito kami kakain ng lunch. Nasa Maas Museum, Antwerpen kami. Bago ko nakilala si Bebe, dito ako nung nakatira, malapit dito. Kaya super familiar ako sa lugar na to. Mahangin, pakaraming boats. Yung nakikita nyong red building na yun, yung tinatawag nilang Maas Museum. Nasa above water siya. Ito kami kakain. Para siyang food court. Marami siyang iba't ibang klaseng street food, ganon. This is where the Fluffy Fun Cake is. So yeah, you see they have here some dessert.
Well, I want the fun.
The Fluffy Fun Cake?
Yeah, but no.
Not now? And here,
Asian seafood.
curry club, croquettes, seafood.
Some of this, yes. This is what I want.
Yeah, fish and chips also. It's perfect. Probably he will like fish and chips, no?
Yeah.
We have other stuff also, smash burger. This is, I think, like Japanese roll. Wallet.
Sauce do you want?
Nag-order na sina Bebe ng fish and chips. Check pa namin yung ibang food. I think I want to... And this is like Mexican food, B. They have some other stuff here. Hummus. They have... What is this? Brioche Club. And this is Mexican, actually. This is tacos. Yan. What else here?
That's it.
That's it? I think I'm going for Indian food. I don't like Mexican. I tried it before. Tayo ng Indian food. Separate spicy sauce so Aiden can also eat. Baby, he wants rice, so he has more like choices, you know. I don't know. One tandoori chicken, please. Not spicy. But can you give me a separate thing for spicy? Like, because I eat with the baby. Ah, okay. Okay, then it's okay. One. That's it.
Manage?
Yes. Papa. Yeah, we go Papa.
Yay! Me?
Okay.
Look.
Okay, B. You go sit now with Aiden. So this is I ordered, guys. It's a tandoori chicken. Now that's here. What do you have? Why it's black? Taste burn? You like it? This is rice and chicken. It's perfect for him. Chicken. It's okay. Mommy's food is not hot. Yeah? Dessert time na kami. Fluffy Fun Cake with tiramisu. Wait! I need to take picture.
It's from the back.
Approve, boy. Approve. It's good, no? It's really fluffy. After ng lunch namin, nandito kami sa Asian shop, Antwerpen, para mamili ng mga food. Aiden is sleeping, so he's gonna stay with his dad in the car, and I'll just gonna go quick to the Asian shop to buy the stuff that I need. Mga ilang kailangan lang ako nabilhin. Kasi gusto ko magluto ng sinigang na baboy. Bila ko ng mga sangkap doon. At may mga ilang kailangan ako sa bahay na kagaya na lang ng toyo and suka. And now that we are with the car, so it's better to buy them now because they are heavier if I buy them alone. So ayan guys, andito na kami sa Asian shop. Ibababa lang ako ni Bebe, tapos sila ni Baby Aiden, they will go around kasi natutulog nga ang baby. punta muna ako sa Sunwa. Ayan, sa mga nagtatanong, dito ako bumibili ng mga kailangan ko. Tapos afternoon meet. So ayan na, alis sila. And ako naman mamimili dito sa Sunwa. Ito tayong dalawang no daw. Pagkatapos ko sa Asian shop, ayan, mamimili naman ako ng karne na kailangan ko sa bahay. Dito tayo bibili. So, ayan guys, tapos na ako namili. Pauwi na kami. Mag-isa lang ako kaya hindi ako nakapag-video ng maayos. Tulog pa rin ang aming baby Aiden. Ayan, tulog na tulog siya. Where are we? We're gonna buy some Starbucks. Nandito kami sa Starbucks. Aiden, what did I get you?
No, don't. Aiden.
Drink, Aiden, drink. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, samahan kami. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click the notification bell para updated kayo sa bago naming mga vlogs. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye!